Hi everyone. Let's start with the third section, Installing Server. In this section we'll be working as administrators on a Linux server, the installations, the preparations and management, and also work with a web server, managing users and their permissions on our Linux server. This is video 1 of section 3, Downloading a Linux server. In this video we'll be focusing on downloading and understanding what is a server and the purposes of the Ubuntu server. Linux Server is a high-powered variant of the Linux open source operating system that's designed to handle the more demanding needs of business applications, such as network and system administration, database management, and web services. Now, what is an Ubuntu server? An Ubuntu server is a server operating system developed by canonical and open source programmers around the world that works with nearly any hardware or virtualization platform. It can serve up websites, file shares and containers, as well as expand your company offerings with an incredible cloud presence. Now let's visit this link, www.ubuntu.com. Select Download on one of the panels and you'll see the Ubuntu desktop and Ubuntu server close to each other. Select the Ubuntu server for download. We can see the server provisions and also for OpenStack. Under Download, we can see the new Ubuntu Server version 10 and the version we are going to be using for this course, which is the Ubuntu Server 18.04.2 LTS, meaning long-term support. So click that big download button and we are ready to get cracking. Since I already have the server downloaded, you can go ahead to download yours. That's all for this video.